Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Xcentricks Understands. I'm Xcentricks. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited. And if you don't know that I'm excited, I'm excited. I have some exciting news to share with you and all my YouTube fans. What we're going to do is I actually am getting my brows microbladed over the next 2 or 3 weeks. So it's going to be a live demonstration here, right here on Xcentricks Understands. You do not want to miss out on that as well. And I'm getting it done for free. Also, another excellent thing that you guys must tune into is I'm actually getting a lash lift and color tint as well for my lashes. Now, I've never had my lashes done before. I've never had extensions put on them. I have worn false eyelashes, but I've never actually had them colored, tinted, or curled, or anything like that. And it's happening live here in the next couple of weekends, so you don't want to miss out. That's my exciting news for today. Woo! So, thank you for subscribing. Please give this a thumbs up, like my videos, and cheers everyone, and always remember to be you. My next